Good morning, everyone. I am Abhijit from Catapult Ventures, and I'm here with my teammates Aditya, Prem, and Rachit to present you my idea of how we are going to help startups scale. The biggest problem is most startups have innovative products and compelling visions, but they don't succeed. What is the problem? They raise funds, their innovation is market breaking, but they don't know how to utilize it. They don't know where to spend the money. Half of the money either gets wasted in marketing instead of research and development, and further on, they just don't succeed because of the real problem not getting solved.
Our AI tool will provide startups with a financial dashboard which will give them real-time monitoring. As we can see, it will monitor their cash flow, cash burn and burn rate. Coming to strategic planning, our AI tool supports financial modeling, scenario analysis, growth metrics tracking, and also supports the fundraising preparation. It also leaves a room for the what if, that is, AI decides and provides help with the decision making and guides them for it.
Basically, the last part is about how 600k annual startups are growing in the US every year. Every year, 600k teams, they build a startup in the hopes of changing the world, but 90% of them fail only because they don't have experience, they don't have a financial team, and they don't have the funds. So, let's say you raise the fund, but you don't have the experience. Of course, you will waste it. So, that is what we are fixing.
I was thinking that it is difficult for them to pitch the whole idea in just 5 minutes. But later on, they pitched the idea so beautifully, like even I was mesmerized with that.
Well, if you have financial experts or team with you, then why we need this application?
So the thing is, when we are talking to a financial expert, right, they're not always available. They are always they're very expensive as well. We can't have a CA for our basic questions, right? Let's say you are starting a startup and you have no experience. You need to ask the most silliest questions to further scale.
So I actually liked the idea because when we say things about business and startup, so people know some of the startups they fail just because of poor financial mismanagement. So to solve this problem, they invented a tool. They have this idea. I mean, if this young talent they knows all these things about business, so I cannot imagine how they will perform and what they could make when they will graduate from this NIAT Pune.
I was actually not even sure that we would come to the top three, but I was really ecstatic when we found out that we are second.